What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn your images or creations into NFT for free and sell them to earn some money. And this will be done on the OpenSea platform, which is like an NFT marketplace. So an NFT is like a unique piece of art that only you can own, and it's sold. You cannot download it for free. It is sold or you can buy it. And you can also create NFTs to sell them. NFTs or non-fungible tokens are a unique piece of art that only you can have. So if you buy a certain NFT, no one else can have it unless they decide and buy a similar one. So if you want to use it for your profile picture, for example, or if you are a collector that want to collect unique pieces of art, as if you were like an art collector in real life. However, this is art collection for the digital world. So you can rest assured that you can obtain unique pieces of art that no one can copy. Not like Google, when you search an image on Google, probably basically anyone can download the same image. However, for the NFTs, it's not the same case, because you want to go ahead and buy them through a marketplace, not go ahead and search for them and download them. A marketplace such as OpenSea here and many others. However, this is the one that we are going to use for this video. So in this video, as I told you, I'll show you how to go ahead, the steps to creating your account and even your wallet on OpenSea in order to start listing your NFTs for sale. Now here you want to go to OpenSea.io, and you can see here all the trending NFTs and the top collectors buys for today, the ones that are sold. And as you can see here, the collections, and you can filter by trending or top. And as you can see here, these artworks are like the NFTs that are being sold. Okay, and you can here see that these are not sold with dollars, so the currency is not dollars. So ETH stands for Ethereum, which is like a cryptocurrency that is used to sell and buy these NFTs on OpenSea.io. And you can use a site such as metamask.io to create a wallet to collect and pay with these cryptocurrencies, Ethereum, and you can get it, you can download it for Chrome, and you can use it to link it with OpenSea and start selling and buying. Now in this video, I'll show you how to turn your artwork into NFT. So here you can turn your artwork, gaming, membership, PFPs, photography, and even music and 3D designs into NFTs. So here you want to click on create. You can create your account with MetaMask or another wallet such as these two. And you can have more wallet options if you want to. So you can connect all these different wallets. And you can see here that you have quite a few. And if you recognize one of them, or you are dealing with one of them, you can basically go ahead and connect it to your OpenSea account. You have ones such as Phantom, Bitkeep, Kaikas and Core and others. However, I'm going to go and continue with my email. So I'm going to click here to add my email and then continue. Okay, and they tell you that your sign up will create in your wallet using this email. Okay, sign up and create wallet. Okay, and now there is a code that is sent to my email. So I'm going to go ahead to my inbox and then going to get the code and paste it here. Okay, and here it is, the confirmation email that is sent. And this is my code. It's loading the email right now. Okay, so I'll need to copy this code and go back to OpenSea. And they even have the option to paste from clipboard. Okay, allow. It didn't paste correctly, so I'll just paste it manually. Okay. And here I can choose the security option to authenticate my identity. So I can have the Google Authenticator or SMS. So I'll choose SMS for now. Okay, and I'll enter my US or Canada based phone number, so I'll do it pretty quickly right here. Okay, so I've entered a phone number, then I click to send code here. Okay, so there seems to be an error with the phone number, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the Google Authenticator, continue, and then scan the QR code with the Google Authenticator app on my phone. Okay, and now I scanned the QR code with the Authenticator app and got a code. So I'll type it. So if you don't have the Authenticator app, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store if you want to. And here you have two options. You can drop a collection or you can mint an NFT. So in this case, I'll just go ahead and mint an NFT. Okay, and then by connecting to, I can accept the terms and condition. Okay, accept and sign. And now I can drag and drop my media here. So I can drag all types of media from JPEG, PNG, GIF, SVG, or even videos. So here I can click here to upload an image from my computer, just like a random image here to like show you. Okay, so this random image will do. Okay, and now I can create a new collection if I want to. However, I'll not do it for now. Now I'll need to name my NFT. Okay, let's name it test. Okay, and the supply here, let's leave it as one. And in the description, I'll say like test image with keyboard and mouse. And I can add an external link here so that, for example, I want my customer who like buys this NFT to access to another like collection or other extra items. So I can upload them like to a Google Drive link and add this link right here. I can add a trait. So here, let's say, for example, background image. Okay, and I can add another attribute or trait, let's say category, and add them if I want to. And I can edit the traits. And here I can add a new collection right now. But however, by adding a collection, I need to be charged like a minimum amount into my from my Ethereum wallet. So here I can add a logo. Okay, let's add this random image. And I can add a name. Let's name it like test collection. And as you can see, token symbol is created, generated automatically. And here, if I click on continue, it will go to my wallet and finish deploying my contact, and it'll take like a minimum amount or a small amount of Ethereum, which is equal to like almost $12. However, I don't have enough in my account. You can recharge your Ethereum wallet with your credit card or debit card if you want to continue using and paying the, let's say, the fees for uploading your NFT. And once you pay them, you can deploy your contract and your NFT will go live and you can sell it. And you can get your like earnings back to your wallet. So that's how you can turn your artwork into an NFT and list it and sell it in the OpenSea platform.